So you might be in a situation where for some reason TikTok is just showing you a bunch of old videos that you've already seen. So maybe you're scrolling through and you're just seeing that every single video you've seen before and you just don't know what's going on. Now, the reason why this is happening for the most part is usually because your Roblox, your TikTok account and your TikTok application is basically not refreshed. So what you're going to want to do is you just want to go ahead and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is properly fine and you're getting internet. If you're not getting internet, well then that's going to be a problem. So what you can do is make your way over to your app store just like this and scroll through if it's loading things fine and everything, or go to like an internet connection application. And if everything's loading, then you're good. But if you load these things up and it says there's no internet connection, well that is basically the problem. You're going to have to make sure you have some sort of internet connection on your phone, a Wi-Fi connection, whatever, and that could probably end up fixing the problem for a majority of people. Now if that still doesn't work, the other thing you're going to want to try doing is to actually make your way back into your app store. So go back into your app store, you want to go and click search, and you just want to search for TikTok. So go and search for the TikTok application, and all you're going to want to do is go ahead and update TikTok. If TikTok is severely outdated, well then that's going to be the problem. So just go ahead and update your TikTok app, and that is basically the big thing that you can try doing here, and that's honestly what I try to recommend doing for the most part, is just update TikTok and see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, if that still doesn't end up fixing the problem, the next thing you're going to want to do is make your way over to a website like downdetector.com, or is it downrightnow.com, or one of those types of websites where they basically allow you to see what's down. And if TikTok is down, there's really not much you have to do. You're just going to have to wait it out until they fix the issue. So you can see right here, TikTok is really not on this website at all. So that basically means that there's not much you have to do. If TikTok is down, it's going to be like number 1 or number 2, and then you're just going to have to wait it out until they fix the issue. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.